In this video, we'll talk about how the machine learning question type works on HackerEarth. Machine learning question types are very similar to your data science question type in that they have a problem statement defined. Further, just like data science question type, ML question will contain data sets which candidate use to train, test and create their own model. The major difference here is the candidate will not be given an editor. The candidate will be allowed to use their own local editors. Once they have created their final submission, they can just come back and upload the source code along with the final data set of the models that they have created. After the candidate hits submits, the platform begins auto-evaluating their model. Here, the online test case will contain the actual or the full data set. The checker file compares this data set with the candidate submission. The evaluation will be done based on the parameter defined within the checker file and the candidate will be scored accordingly. Within test case, you can see that you can include both online and offline test case. Offline test case are used for hackathons and come into play once an event has concluded. At the end of the event, all candidate submission will be checked against the offline test case with the checker file. Based on the parameter defined within the checker file, a score would be assigned to the submissions. Of course, in some cases, online and offline test cases can be same. As we don't provide an editor for ML question, there is no option to choose a language. Thus, candidates are free to choose whichever editor they want to as they are working offline. One thing to keep in mind is that while the evaluation of machine learning questions are very similar to data science question, the major difference is the kind of code editor that is supported. While we provide the candidate with an editor such as Jupyter Notebook or a script editor for data science question, machine learning question requires the candidate to use their own machine.